Good morning, and here's your modern Wall Street wake-up call on this Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. U.S. stocks in the red this Tuesday morning, the last day of the first quarter as investors look to end a quarter of historic volatility. Now, today's losses gave back some of the sharp gains from the previous session, the Dow Jones jumping nearly 700 points on Monday, led by an 8% rise in Johnson & Johnson after the company announced a vaccine candidate for the coronavirus. Meanwhile, President Donald Trump extending the timeline for social distancing guidelines to April 30th, which many believe will reduce economic damage in the long run, while data scheduled for release today includes the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index, 10 o'clock in the morning. But despite the recent comeback, the market on pace to end a month and quarter with big historic losses. The Dow Jones down 12% in March, on pace for its worst month since October 2008. The S&P 500, that's down 11% in March, on pace for its worst month since 2008. The Dow Jones down 21.8% this quarter, on pace for its worst quarter since 1987 and its worst first quarter ever. And the S&P 500 off 18.7% this quarter, on track for its worst quarter since 2008 and its worst first quarter since 1938. And lastly, some advice: keep in mind, you can always wash and press your own shirts.